Are you thinking too much while speaking English? Grammar rules, sentence structure, tenses. By the time you figure it out, the conversation has moved on. Here's the truth. Fluency isn't about perfect grammar. It's about natural flow and clear communication. Let's fix the overthinking with 5 simple shifts. First, train your brain to think in chunks, not rules. Instead of building sentences word by word, learn ready-to-use phrases like, "Do you have a minute? I was just about to say that. Let me double-check." These chunks help you speak fast, without grammar puzzles. Second, speak first, fix later. Yes, you'll make mistakes. So what? Even native speakers say things like, "He don't know, and me and my friend went there." What matters? You were understood. Fluency improves with practice, not with fear. Third, listen to real conversations, not textbooks. Watch shows, listen to podcasts, or observe real dialogues. Notice how people break grammar rules all the time, but they still sound natural. Copy the rhythm, tone, and flow. Sound human, not robotic. Fourth, practice out loud, without stopping yourself. Try free speaking for 2 minutes daily. Pick a topic. No pausing, no correcting, just speak, then review. Ask yourself, did I get my point across? That's real fluency. And lastly, repeat your way to confidence. Repetition builds confidence, not perfection. Reuse the same phrases in different contexts. Repeat lines from movies. Shadow native speakers. With time, speaking becomes instinct, not analysis. Stop aiming for perfect grammar. Start aiming for real communication. Speak in chunks. Embrace mistakes. Train the flow, not the fear. And soon, grammar won't control you. You'll control the conversation. Follow us for more real-life English that builds fluency, not frustration. Check out our other videos about training yourself to think in English the correct way.